Now we are discussing about wood polish making. Wood polish making is also small business, one of the good small business. And how do you make a wood polish? Wood polish, how to do it at your home? Homemade wood polish. To prepare wood polishing, combine equal parts of white vinegar and lemon juice and spray it on the surface of the wood. Mix 2 parts of the olive oil with 1 part lemon juice to make penetrating wood polishing solution. And next point is what chemical is used for wood polish. Shellac is made of a resin dissolved in alcohol, available in several different colors. This wood polish can be used on any and every wooden surface. It can also be used as a stainer or sealer and gives the wood a glossy look. And next point is what is main ingredient in wood polish. Materials used in making and wood polish formulations include a carrier liquid such as mineral oil, tung oil, citrus thinner, turpentine, ethanol or a combination of them, and a waxy resin such as carnauba wax, damer varnish, beeswax or a combination of them. And next point is what are the raw materials of wood polish. Materials required for polishing raw wood: kerosene oil, spirit, lacdana, cinna or coloring, lacquer, sealer, thinner, and plaster of Paris. And next point is how do you make homemade polish. Just melt equal parts of beeswax, a solid oil and a liquid oil over a double boiler and pour into an empty container. Allow to harden fully. The paste is ready to use. Just work it into your shoes, wipe off the excess, and you are good to go again. This is the information. And next point is which polish is best for wood. The Lacquer wood polishes are considered among the best varieties of wood polish. They dry up faster, provide better surface protection, add richness, and also make the wood more durable. And next point is what materials are used in making polish. It is usually made from ingredients including some or all of naphtha, all of naphtha, lanolin, turpentine, wax, gum arabic, ethylene glycol, and if required, a colorant such as carbon black or an iodide. And next point is which thinner is used in wood polish. GCI wood polish thinner is used to dissolve lacdana or shellac, providing a surface with a high gloss shine that is second to none. And next point is which oil to use for polishing wood. Present in some natural cleaners, coconut oil does a great job polishing wooden furniture. And next point is how many types of wood polish are there. That is furniture polish, melamine, lacquer, shellac are there. And next point is how do you make organic polish. Mix the olive oil with the color choice in a small pot under low heat. Pour into a bowl and strain the olive oil back into the pot. Add in the beeswax and stir for a minute. Also add in jojoba oil and vitamin E oil. Blend thoroughly. To use again, place the small jar in a pan of warm water to reheat. And next point is what are the ingredients for homemade furniture polish. Mix the ingredients. You will need 2 parts of vinegar, 2 parts of olive oil and 1 part of lemon juice. Make only as much as you expect to be using, as any extra can go rinsed before you get to use it up. Ready the cloth. Lightly dip the corner of one of the microfiber cloths into the polish. And next point is which wood polish is waterproof. Grantone double boiled linseed oil, an effective waterproof furniture polish, used for wood furnishing, sports, boots like a cricket bat, falling cracks, mixing with paint and wall putty, etc. And next point is what is the full form of PU finish? Polyurethane plant, also refined as a PU paint or PU coating, is a durable, highly resistant coating used in industrial and architectural coating systems. This is the information regarding wood polish making. But one thing I will say that once if you are completely interesting to start a wood polish making means so many YouTube videos are available for wood, specific wood polish. In wood polish also so many types are there. Select which type is comfortable to your process. Then you select, you can get select that YouTube video, or otherwise in Google also you can see the process and you can understand for particular type of wood polish. Suppose if you want to know the complete information, fundamentals regarding wood polish making means my video will give a complete information regarding that. Wishing you all the best. May God bless.